Hi, my name is Pablo Espinosa. I'm VP and Chief Loudspeaker Designer here at Meyer Sound. We're very happy to be here at ISE 2020, and we're very excited about introducing our new product, the Ultra-X20. Last year, we introduced the Ultra-X40, and all our customers really liked it, have been very successful, an award-winning product. And the feedback we got from our customers is that they wanted to have a smaller version with the similar performance, with concentric drivers, very well behaved, low distortion, very high dynamic range. So we came out with the Ultra-X20, and one of the characteristics is very versatile for rigging. You can put it in mobs, you can put it in yokes, you can put it on the wall, and it has a very great power to size ratio, is very light, and we also have the companion subwoofer, the USW 112P, which complements the system. So thank you very much. Our website is www.meyersound.com, and thank you for listening.